My name is Dr. Rush, and this is data preparation for Excel-based assignments. Each data vendor has their own standards for data formatting. I will assume that you already have a time series of adjusted closing prices or total return index values which are adjusted for corporate actions such as stock splits and dividends. You should also have a time series of the risk-free rate. In this example, I have monthly yields quoted on an annualized basis for the 1-month T-bill and 10 Vanguard sector ETFs as my risky assets. Calculate holding period returns, remembering to check whether old or new data is on top. In this case, we are going from old to new, so the first return calculation will start on the second row of data. Next, we will convert our monthly observations of T-bill yields. This data was obtained from the Federal Reserve Economic Database, so it's not in decimal form. Divide the yield by 100 and then by 12 to get the monthly yield in decimal form. Finally, we will calculate the time series of risk premia for each asset. Take the monthly return and subtract the monthly risk-free rate. It is important to match the time period of the risky asset return and the risk-free rate. If we had daily returns, we would need a time series of the daily risk-free rate. We use the excess return or risk premium rather than the total return when pricing risk because the risk-free rate does not add to the total risk of the asset. The difference is more apparent when our sample includes both high and low interest rate regimes.